is my admin/user dashboard laboratory. And here, as you can see, we will allow login page. But before that, we need to create a new one. So let's create the new account. Set the ID number, name, address, day, say day for graduation, what year, course, email address that you're going to use, username, password. So you say the account is created now. So let's go back to the login page. But before you're gonna log in that the account that you created, in the admin needed to approve that. So let's try to open the admin page. As you can see here, here's the uh, now the account that you created. So let's approve that. Yes. Then this other one. Then update to be approved. So if you want to delete an account from the admin side, that just press the button archives to delete that, and here the button archive is the all the account that you've been deleted, and there's a button also to if you want to restore it. Let's go back and log out and log in the account that you created. See if you log in. So as you can see here, is the schedule that been created. All the grades are pending because they did not have. So log out here. That's all.